taco chips. So it looks like this. Making nacho cheese sauce. Butter 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoon flour. 2 tablespoon butter. 2 tablespoon flour. And medium heat. Medium to low heat. Melt the butter all the way. Now turn it to medium to make it bubbly. And then add the 1 cup of milk. The 1 cup of milk. Then stir constantly and medium heat. Now we have to put a handful of cheese. Always use the medium cheddar cheese. Then simmer slowly. Now the nacho sauce is ready. We added all the cheese and cheese has to melt. You close the burner and let it settle down. This is nacho sauce. We start the burner again and put a little bit heat and add all the packet of cheddar cheese in there and make it more thick. When you add more cheese, it make more thickness. For make it spicy, add little bit chili, powder chili. Adding red chili powder now. You already add the salt. Simmer again. Mix the red chili powder quickly. Now the nacho cheese sauce is ready to eat. Okay, now the nacho cheese sauce is ready to eat with a ground beef and the Pico de Gallo and sour cream, jalapeno on a taco chips. So it looks like this. Now we have to eat this and see how it is tasty. Perfect. Very tasty. Very good. Best.